Hi, I'm James Noble. Today I'm going to show you how to replace oil in your 5.3. This will cover you from 99 to 2006. And in 2006, they redesigned our oil pan and they moved the drain plug to here. It'll go all the way up to 2012. First, what I like to do before I move oil pans, get everything in the way. This is kind of a difficult place to get to unless you have a GM filter wrench, which I've got a universal strap. And most of them are actually too big, so what I'll do is I'll stuff a rag in there and that'll take up some of the slack. And I'll loosen it up just enough where I can actually take my hand and finish twisting it off. Then I'll take a 15mm wrench and I'll break this loose. Now I can move my pan in under here. And we can drain our oil. Now in 2006, they changed the design of our oil pan, so our plug will be over here, but steps is all the same. Now we'll loosen our filter up just a couple of turns and let it start draining the filter out. Now we can reinstall our drain plug. Now I don't have a gasket, but it is recommended to replace the gasket. This style here, I think you have to replace the plug because of the way the gasket's made. This is my vehicle. If it was a customer's vehicle, I would replace the seal, and we're going to torque it at 18 foot-pounds. Now be cautious not to over tighten this, because what'll happen is it'll crack here, or it'll crack the aluminum housing of your oil pan. Okay, we want to go 18 foot-pounds. Now we'll remove our filter. Now what I've got is I get the AC Delco filters. Now this one is, the short filter number is a PF46E. And our new is a longer filter. It is a PF61E. Now when you pull these filters off, always make sure the gasket is still on the filter and there's no gasket. I have found where the gasket would be on the filter, and then there'd be another one stuck up there where the previous oil change, they didn't pay attention to it. So, and we won't take and wipe any grind off of it. We're going to put a little fresh oil around the seal. Now on the four-wheel drive, you get a little more filter with the extended filter, get a little more filtering. But the offset of it is that sometimes if you're out in brush, it's a little more out there for this to catch and actually knock a hole in your filter. Now you're going to take that filter, once you feel it starting to drag on the seal, I turn it as much as I can with my grip. But they say around 1/3 to 1 turn. Okay, we know we've got this torqued and we've got that tight. This is good for all the engines, the LS engines, starting in 99, 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, and the 6.2 gas engine that came out later on. Now we can put some oil in it. We can take and add 6 quarts of 5W30. Now we can reinstall our oil cap. We'll start our engine, let it run for about 15-20 seconds, shut it off, let it set for a few seconds. We'll check our oil. We should be close to the top. We want to be in the upper part of our hash marks. Now our next step is move to the bottom of the screen and hit like and subscribe. Don't worry, I'll give you time. Now we can move inside the vehicle. We'll turn the switch on with the engine off. We'll depress our gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. That'll reset our oil change reminder. Thank you for watching. I'm James Noble.